Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 3 trades. Today's date is September the 15th and I'm using my new Super Trader system. And remember, when you get your hands on the Super Trader system, I'll show you how you can get this trading simulator. It is a great app for the MT4 platform. It allows you to trade 24 hours, 7 days a week. I use it on the weekend when the market is closed. And over the weekend, I can get in more than 100 trades. You can do the equivalent of easily 1 year's worth of trading over the weekend. And this is the main reason why I have increased my number of PIPS on a daily basis. They do give you a $10,000 practice account and you can keep trading for as long as you desire or until you lose the $10,000. But this is a much better plan to practice with this simulator, as you are not going to lose real money. It does come with a 25-page ebook teaching you and or showing you all the functions and features that the trading simulator has to offer. If you have any questions regarding this trading simulator, just get in contact with me. Okay, now before I get into the 3 trades that I took today, I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time. So don't waste your time by jumping from one system to another, because there is a learning curve that you must master in order to trade successfully. And of course, as I said, all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time, and that includes all my trigger systems. It took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you will have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy the education and then do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than 1 trade at a time, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, now we can get into these trades. I took all the trades just before 8:30 this morning, and about an hour and a half later, around 10 a.m., I closed out the trades, and I'm done trading for the day. So I also want to tell you that before I pull the trigger, I do put a vertical line. I drill down the lights from the higher time frames, and then I put this arrow here. Very easy to do, to drop in an arrow, and so that it reminds me that I want to be selling, as I wish to go in the direction of the higher time frames. So remember, it only takes 5 seconds to drill down the lights and make that decision. Looks like I got in right at the top here. Perfect spot. And I close it out right around the ADR here, as I was happy with the total. That happens to be 74 pips. And 74 pips on this EuroCAD trade paid $5,855. Okay, let's move on to the other 2 pairs. They were futures. I've been trading them lately as they move a lot more pips and ticks. I call them PIPS because I'm using the MT4 platform. So on the NASDAQ, I sold this one. There's the arrow, the line. After I drilled down the lights, I knew that I wanted to sell. So that's exactly what I did. Did do a bit of a pullback here, and I knew that it could go back to the moving averages, which is not a big deal. Back about 3 points, 3.8, and I closed it out being happy with 3.9 or 39 pips. And those 39 pips here on the NASDAQ trade paid $7,800. Keep in mind that the Super Trader system has pop-up alerts and boxes. As such, you'll get an audio alert when it changes from blue to red or red to blue. And the first trade, Euro CAD, there it was right there at 8:30, suggesting that the trend is down. Okay, let's move on to crude oil, another one I like to trade. It moves a lot, as you can see. There's my vertical line, and there's the arrow after I drill down the lights. Quite simple, just in case you don't know how to do it. Just click on this button, arrow up, and there you go. So that's reminding me to buy. So let's see where I bought at. Bought right here where this arrow is. Didn't go much against me. 8 pips, very little. It looks like I ended up with, let's see, 8. Looks like around 100. Let's do a correction on that. 102 pips. And 102 pips on crude oil paid $10,200. So if your system is not producing like my Super Trader, I suggest you get your hands on it. And if you want to get some more information on how to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. My Super Trader system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. If you don't learn this, you will never succeed at trading. Now my system has well over 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Comes with 5 MT4 templates, 12 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. And this is what you'll need to succeed at trading. A lot of education. Forgot to do the pip total on these 3 trades between the pips and the ticks, whatever you want to call it. I ended up with 215 pips, and those 215 pips paid $23,855. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and my number 1 way, of course, is a great way to trade. You're looking at a perfect example of it right here on crude oil. I teach exactly how to do it. You can learn this just in a day or two. It's such a simple, easy method. But anyhow, due to the fact that there's a lot of ways to trade here, I produce 45 training videos. And another video I did was this one in red, how to backtest using the trading simulator. It is packed with a lot of tips and tricks that should speed up your learning curve. So now you can put this on pause, as I'm not going to go through each and every one. Check them all out. If you have any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now I do prefer Skype, made it simple and easy. All you got to do is click on this link and you'll have a Skype connection with me. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, give you some tips and tricks on how to trade using the Super Trader. Remember, it is a easy system to trade with as all you're going to do for buying, just line up blue. The more blue, the better. Blue boxes, super trend is blue, and lots of blue down here, down at the bottom. So once everything is lining up, it usually does produce a move. Once it goes from red to blue, then that's your move up. So it's quite easy once you master the concept of it. So where were we now? If you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video, and I'll repeat it one more time. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.